AZCO Corp designed and manufactured a rotary die station for cutting material into small precision pieces. Material comes off a motorized unwind. From the unwind, it goes over a series of idler rollers and into the feed station. After the feed station, the material goes through the rotary die to be cut into precision pieces. The cut pieces are dropped into a catch container. Unit makes 3,000 pieces per minute. This rotary die station breaks the product into smaller, rough edge pieces. Cut pieces exit down a stainless steel exit chute. A conveyor moves it to the next part of the process. Please give us a call to discuss your application. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channels.